11th week of pregnancy today. Until the 10th week, we had seen that the baby's facial as well as physical features had started becoming prominent. Baby's fingernails as well as hair had begun to sprout. The baby would be able to hear you, its heartbeat could be heard on the ultrasound check, and its arms could be bent at the elbows. The baby's genitals continued to form along with other internal organs, while some others like the kidneys, lungs, intestines and the brains would have started functioning on their own. And now let's see the further development of the baby in week 11. So in week 11, the baby is approximately the size of a thumb, say about 2 inches. And from these 2 inches, 1 inch makes up the head. So we can say that the baby's head is to body ratio is 1:1. And the reason for this is, as we had already discussed last week, that the baby's head is growing faster than the rest of the body. The basic divisions of the brain are already present and the neurons or the brain cells are appearing at one end of the spinal cord. In fact, a clear outline of the baby's spine is visible. The organs such as the lungs, the kidneys and the gut are continuing to grow, and some of them are already functioning. Coming to the heart, we already saw that the baby's heart was divided into 4 separate chambers and pumping rapidly with a strong enough heartbeat to be picked up by a monitor called a fetal Doppler. It is said that hearing the heartbeat at this point is a major sign that the pregnancy is progressing as it should. While the baby's bones are hardening, the skin is still transparent. The bones of the face are formed, tooth buds, hair follicles and nail beds are forming. The eyelids of the baby are closed just like last week and won't open for next few weeks. The earbuds are now easier to recognize as they are no longer just the openings, and they will move to the correct position from the neck to the side of the head. The fingers and toes are again completely separated and we can count all 20 of them as they are no longer webbed anymore. The baby is surrounded by amniotic fluid and has learned to swallow. More blood vessels will appear in the placenta to provide your baby with the nutrients and oxygen it needs to grow so quickly. Now, your baby is very active, but unfortunately it is very small for you or anyone else to understand this activity. 12th week of pregnancy today. But before that, let us quickly understand what was happening with the baby until the last week, that is the 11th week. We had seen that the baby had grown to approximately 2 inches length, out of which 1 inch was just the head, as the head is growing faster than the rest of the body. The heart was divided into 4 chambers and was beating double the times our heart would beat. The internal organs like the lungs, the kidneys and the gut were slowly growing. The facial features, the skin, the bone, the tooth buds, the hair follicles and the nail beds were forming. The toes and fingers had lost its webbed appearance and we could count all 20 of them. And now you are 12 weeks pregnant, and this is also the last week of the first trimester and also the most critical stage of the baby's growth and development. It's been just 12 weeks and the critical systems of the fetus or the baby are fully formed. Now the baby has to grow and mature. At 12 weeks, the baby weighs around 13 grams and its length is 2.5 inches long from top to bottom. This is a very exciting week as more facial features of the baby come into focus, such as the eyebrows and the lips. It can now open its mouth and wiggle its fingers and toes, upon which tiny nails have begun to grow. The vocal cords too have formed during this 12th week. The baby's brain is developing fast as it makes hormones of its own, and the nerve cells multiply rapidly. Muscles begin responding to the brain, and as the brain and muscles develop together, natural movements such as bending of the arms, clenching and opening of the fists, and twisting of the wrists and elbows become more frequent. So the baby is slowly developing its reflexes and if you were to poke your baby's body, it would be more likely to move. It is opening and closing its fingers and it's curling its toes too. However, the intestines of the baby are still growing and they now have room to move into the abdomen area. Your baby's skeleton is made of tissue called cartilage, and around now, this starts to develop into hard bone. All its organs, muscles, limbs and bones are in place, and the sex organs are well developed. The baby is moving quite a bit, but it is too early for you to be able to feel this movement. A good 3 months have passed, and soon the next 6 months will also fly. The first trimester has come to an end. I am going to talk about the 13th week of pregnancy today. We saw in the 12th week how the baby's critical systems were fully formed, and most of them, like the heart, the brain and the muscles, were functioning and growing. The baby's intestines are growing and the skeleton is developing. The baby's facial as well as physical features are in place. The baby can now hear you and the eyelids of the baby are fused shut. This is the 13th week of pregnancy and you have entered the second trimester, and now you deserve a big pat on your back because you have completed first trimester successfully, which many women find it the toughest. Coming to the baby is now in the fetal period. In this period, the organs and tissues that took shape in the first trimester start to develop. There is still plenty of room for your baby to grow in the uterus. The fetus now looks like a baby, only it is extremely tiny. Remember, it used to look like a tadpole with a tail before? So it is a very tiny baby now, and there is still plenty of room in the uterus for the baby to grow. Now the baby is about 3 inches long and it weighs around 23 grams. And proportion wise, the head is now 1:3 the size of the body, unlike the 1:1 ratio few weeks back. The eyes are moving away from the sides of the head and are drawing closer to one another. And the fine hair that make up the eyebrows are coming together. The baby continues to form the vocal cords and teeth. The baby's fingers and toes have lost their webbed appearance, and besides that, even though it is so tiny, the baby already has some fingerprints. The baby's abdomen too continues to grow, allowing the intestines to continue to move into their proper place, that is, from the umbilical cord to their more permanent place, that is in its tummy or the abdomen. The pancreas begins to produce insulin, which is important for regulating sugar levels after childbirth and later in life. The bones continue to harden and the placenta provides nutrients, vitamins, minerals, fats, proteins and oxygen to the baby. The placenta also allows the transfer of blood via the bloodstream from mom to baby. The baby has a functional intestinal system at this point. Either the ovaries or the testes of the baby are fully developed inside the body and the genitals are shaping outside. Week 14. Since the 13th week, you have entered the second trimester, and now the baby is in the fetal period, and the organs and tissues that took shape in the first trimester develop further in the second trimester. Well, so till the last week, that is in the 13th week, the baby was about 3 inches long, and now this week, that is in the 14th week, the baby is around 3.4 inches long. Last week, it weighed around 23 grams, and this week, it weighs around 43 to 44 grams. So its weight has almost doubled in a week. Proportion wise, its head is still large in proportion to the rest of the body, that is 1:3, wherein one part is the head while 2 parts are the body. Just like week 13, even in week 14, the baby's brain is growing and functioning while the heart is beating twice or thrice as fast as yours. And we need not worry about that, as this is completely normal. Its eyes are continuing to move away from the sides of the head and are drawing closer to one another, and the ears continue to shift into their correct positions by moving to the sides of the head. The fine hair that make up the eyebrows are coming together as we saw last week, while the neck is growing longer and the baby's chin is lifting from its chest. The baby also continues to form the vocal cords and teeth. As we already know, the baby's fingers and toes have separated, and also we learnt last week that although the baby is so tiny, it already has some fingerprints. During an ultrasound examination, you will be able to see that the baby is opening and clenching its fists and also spreading its fingers. It may be sucking its thumb and wiggling its toes, also making facial expressions like frowning or squinting. We also saw last week that the placenta is allowing the transfer of blood through the bloodstream from mom to baby. The baby is drawing all its nutrients, vitamins, minerals, fats, proteins and oxygen directly from the placenta. So as you can see, the baby is fully developed and is growing larger, and the systems are continuing to expand. The baby's abdomen too continues to grow, allowing the intestines to continue to move into their proper place, that is, from the umbilical cord to their more permanent place, that is in its tummy or the abdomen. The pancreas is producing insulin, which helps in regulating sugar levels after childbirth throughout life. The baby has a functional intestinal system. The ovaries or testes are fully developed inside the body and the genitals are forming outside the body. The bones continue to harden just like last week. And something new that's happening this week is that it's getting fuzz-like hair all over its body that will help to keep it warm. The baby's kidneys are making urine. Around now, the baby begins to swallow little bits of amniotic fluid which pass into the stomach. The kidneys start to work and the swallowed fluid passes back into the amniotic fluid as urine. Along with this, the liver of the baby begins to produce bile, while the spleen begins to produce red blood cells. So the kidneys, liver, spleen and pancreas all are at their job. So hopefully all is well with the baby inside you and you so far. Week 15 during pregnancy. By now, the critical systems of the baby have been developed and the baby is continuing to grow larger. And now you are in the second trimester. Last week, baby weighed around 45 grams and this week in week 15, it weighs around 70 grams. Last week, the baby's length was around 3.4 inches while this week it is 4 inches. Until last week, the baby's head is to body ratio was 1:3, while now in week 15, it is coming close to normal as the baby's legs now outmeasure the baby's arms. Like we already learnt last week, the baby is now covered with fine hair all over the body, which is going to help in keeping the baby warm. This hair will disappear just before the baby is born. The baby's eyes and ears also continue to move to their correct positions. The eyebrows are filling in and becoming darker. The eyes also are becoming sensitive to light. Though they are closed, it is possible that they register bright light which is outside the tummy. The bones in the baby's ear are also hardening and the baby is now able to hear sounds better, such as the mom's heartbeat, speaking, breathing, and also the noises that your digestive system may make. In fact, there are many instances wherein in the second trimester, the parents-to-be put the headphone on the tummy for the baby to listen to soft music to keep the baby calm. The baby is also forming taste buds. At this point, the baby also hiccups sometimes, but it cannot make sound because its trachea is still filled with fluid and not air. All other organs like the heart, brain, kidney, liver, pancreas and intestinal tract continue to develop. So be happy talking sweet nothings to your baby. Also be careful of what you speak or what others speak around you. All you know, the baby inside might be listening. So that was all I could tell you with the development of the baby at 15 weeks. Don't go anywhere, for we will be right back with the development of the baby at week 16. Given below is our email ID. Do send in your queries and feedback to us. Also, do subscribe to our channel. Breathe, chill, relax. Thanks for watching.